Hi everyone, welcome back to another BTLO Replay. Before we jump into SOC Alpha 2, be sure to follow us on X, LinkedIn, or join the Discord server to keep up with the BTLO community. Links are in the description box below. Let's get started. So guys, you guys showed out for SOC Alpha 1. It blew up. So shout out to you guys. It seems like this is a beloved series. So we're coming back with a part 2, the finale. So hopefully we go out with a bang with this one too. So I already got the lab booted up just to save time, but let's go over the scenario so far. You're provided with a use cases. Interesting. You're provided with use cases to conduct some proactive searches in ELK. Answer the following questions by using the information provided in readme.txt. ELK should start within 5 minutes. If not, start the services, Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash in the terminal. This is temporary. All right, so looks like we got the same amount of questions as SOC Alpha 1 and pretty much same scenario. So guys, I'll see you on another screen. Let's jump right into it. All right, hey guys, we are in the lab now. Everything's booted up. As you can see, we have our home folder, readme.txt. Actually, let's take a look at this. See what we can spot in here. So this is less clutter than SOC Alpha 1 for those that did that lab. So it says ELK is up and running. We have yet to verify that. We can access Kibana with Firefox. So we'll come right back to that. I just want to read the rest of the readme.txt. Below are the use cases to hunt and answer the questions accordingly. So hunt 1, brute force detected. That's the source we're going to be using. Hunt 2, Windows Defender bypass, source is mon, so on and so on. All right, and I believe these H1 to 4 actually correlate with the questions. Yep. So it looks like it's another bite-sized lab. Looking forward to get started with it. So let's see if our Kibana is up and running. I might just copy this right here. Just copy this. All right, place that in our clipboard right here. Nice. Let me minimize this real quick. We're going to load up Firefox and see if we can access our ELK. Wow, this is some good graphics. Nice. It looks like we have Elastic here. I'm going to click it. Kibana's not up yet. Uh-oh. Hold on. Let me actually paste this in here. So Kibana's not up yet. Alright guys, I am back. So I just ran these 3 commands in their respective order. And you guys could just take a look at this. And once you run them in respective order, you could just refresh your page and then you'll get access to your Elastic Stack. Alright, so sweet. So as mentioned in last time, what we want to go to, hold on. All right, so for those that did SOC Alpha 1, this screen / dashboard should look familiar to you. Okay, so remember if we looked at the README, right? It mentioned, hey, for H1, hunt 1, use this source. Okay, when event - security. So we're gonna do that, and the source is right here. When event - security. All right. Now, actually, let's read question 1 to see what it wants. What is the IP address from which the suspicious brute force traffic is seen? All right, so for those that know about Windows, a little bit about Windows, and we are analyzing Windows logs, there's one thing, and actually this doesn't even have Google on it, so I'll do it right here. There's a certain event ID for Windows, and we're gonna look at this together, but that's an event ID for Windows we could take a look at. So let's type in a Windows event ID for fair logons. So we have 4625, again viewed in a window event viewer. So we're going to filter for this because, again, keyword brute force. All right, brute force mean, hey, they're failing to get into your system and they're trying with multiple attempts. And there's different types of brute force. You know, you have your dictionary attacks, you have your rainbow attacks. All right, there's many types, but they all come down to one common, symptom: many attempts, many logon attempts. So let's filter for that. All right, we're breaking it down again like an enzyme. Let's go back here and let's filter for that. Let's do event system event ID. As you can see, it's already coming up. All right, guys, I'm back. Took a lot of finagling. So this is the syntax right here. Event underscore system underscore event ID space colon space 465. And as I showed you guys before, this is the window event ID for failed logon attempts. Now the issue I was running into was the date. I was wondering why there was no output coming out. I did not change the date. So just to eliminate all errors, I just put it to the last 10 years. And let's see, we got some stuff from 2021. I didn't think to reach back that far. I did not see any dates here. So interesting. Be mindful of that. All right, what are we looking for here? IP. Okay, see what we got here. We got some really good data over here. We could technically, let me see something. Let me scroll down a little bit. Oh, I think we got it right here. 192.168.1.20. Yep, that's our IP. Event, yep, that's it. That is it. Okay. Target username, nightmare. Whoa. All right, that might come in handy for next time. But let's put in that IP address for now. Verify it before we get too deep into it. 192.168.1, and let's do some 20. There we go. We got one down. All right. Hunt 1, 2 out of 3. Guys, that's a lot of numbers, guys. What is the observed logon type? Interesting. Observed logon types. And you know what's interesting, guys? Before I even go to question 2, I want to finish up question 1. For those that don't want to dig too deep into this, you can filter out by, if you go over here, you can filter out by right here. Oops, just passed it. Event IP address. And it comes up right there as well too. All right, so you don't have to finagle all the way down here. You can just click that, filter it, add that, and just hovering over it gives us the answer. So just want to do that. All right, back to question 2. What is the observed logon type? Format logon type name. Ugh. So we could play around with this. Let's see if this shows us all. Oh, logon type. Let's add that to our filter. Check it out. Logon type name. Oh, wait. I'm not seeing it. Let me see. I must have skipped it. Oh, wait. Hold on. Logon type name. So we got 3 for the logon type. I mean, we could quickly look this up. Yeah, we could look it up because if looking at the format, let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to accept 3. So let's look this up. Logon 3 type name. Logon type 3 denotes a network logon. Interesting. Is this in general, or is this like a Windows thing? You see over here. Logon type. I mean, interesting. Okay, I'm learning something new every day. So let's try network as the logon type. Wow, this lab is already A tier. Where's our thing? Let's try network. If I can spell. Yep, that worked. That was a really good one right there. A little cheeky answer. Let's see. Hunt 1, 3 out of 3. Whoa. What is the time of the first successful logon after the brute force? Oh gosh, this is a scary one. What is the time? Let's see. Okay. Let's minimize this. What is the time of the first successful logon? So what we have to do is look up, hey, what is a successful logon in Windows? See how? So we could change this query event ID for successful logins 4624. 4624. Gosh. It's actually one of my passwords for life. No, I'm just playing. 4624. All right. That's our successful login ID number. So let's actually change our query up here. 4624. I got to remember that. Enter that. All right. I think I still got some filters up in here. I need to eradicate. Let's see. Yeah, I got this right here. Let's see. What is the time of the first successful login at the brute force? Let me get rid of this. And let's see if... Okay, oh, or we could filter for time. We don't have to be looking through the thing. Let's see. Time, is there time? I don't see a time. I don't see a time. Interesting. So let me see down here if I could pinpoint something real quick. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Yeah, this is good. This is a tricky one, guys. Yeah, this is not safe to just filter like that. Let me. Actually, remember that nightmare username? Hold on. Okay, I don't see here. Oh, okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to... Hold on. Let me do this real quick. There was a nightmare username. I don't know if you guys remember that. I seen it when we looked at the 4625 logon. Let me add that to the query because we received a lot of failed attempts from that username. The question is saying... The question is pretty much indirectly saying, hey, that nightmare guy got in. So pretty much what I'm going to do here, let me see if I could filter for success and the nightmare username guy. All right, so let's do event data. I think it's target username right here. Get our colon. It was nightmare. That was our username. I remember seeing that, guys. I'm not making this up. I'm currently not dreaming, but I remember seeing nightmare as a username. We could click enter. Yeah, right here. So we got target username nightmare. We had the timestamp with our... Where is it? I mean, this is the most recent login, right? This one right here. Let me see if I can break this down a little bit. One next security. Timestamp, we got the timestamp right there. That's the first result that came up, actually. With the filter of the what? 4624. Nightmare, there we go. I'm just looking at the logs. I think this is it, guys. Let's see, double check. Yeah. That has to be it. So I am going to... Actually, hold on. Let me just double check one more thing. Oh, you know what? Oh, hold on. It's one thing I almost forgot. You guys remember the IP? I want to make sure this is from the IP from question 1. So let's add another filter for that. Actually, did it still save our IP? Yeah, I did right there. So I'm going to keep that up on the side. I want to make this... I want to eliminate all potential errors. So events _ event data. And now we can get into our specific IP address, which was, I'm looking at it right there. This will eliminate all errors. I think we had our answer already, to be honest, but I just want to make sure. Again, going back to the basics. This is what these videos are for, teaching you the basics. All right, so let's enter there. Oh, we still get the same. Let me actually minimize this. Oh, shoot. This is the only output. The one and only hit. I think this is it. Holy crap. I'm glad I did that because we saw many outputs, but was it with the same IP? Crazy stuff. So let's put that let's put the date in. Hold on. What's the format they want? DD. Hold on. I think we've seen it here. DD. I don't even think we could copy that, to be honest. I'm just gonna type it out. :30. Does that work? Yep. Sweet. Oh. So we just finished our first hunt on some Craven type stuff. So let's go for the second one. All right, hunt 2. What is the full command used for bypassing the defender scan on the malicious file? Format PowerShell exe. Full command don't include the file path. Whoa, that's a whole lot of talk. All right, so let's just start with, go back to our README. Source for hunt 2, sysmon WinEvent PowerShell. All right, sysmon WinEvent PowerShell. I'm gonna try to remember that. Let's go back over here. Let's see. Wait a minute, sysmon. Wait, hold on. Sysmon / WinEvent PowerShell. Can it be both? No, that's not possible. Okay. I'm gonna have to be playing around with this a lot. I'm not sure if you can add 2. I'm just gonna keep it at PowerShell, since that's what the questions. That almost threw me off guard. So let me delete this. I'm gonna miss that syntax, and we want to look for the command string. Full command used for bypassing the defender scan. PowerShell. Ooh, okay. Let's do some research. Full command used for bypassing defender scan. Let me type that in on Google. Bypassing defender scan. And it's a PowerShell. Let's see. Bypass. Yeah. Bypass. Let's click this. I'm just doing some light research. Oh, and my thing's not loading. I'll see you guys back. Alright, I'm back. Jeez, I'm trying out a new browser, guys. I'm on the Arc browser. It's great, but oh god, speeds. Alright, so I found this in this article. Remember, bypassing. That was I think that was one of the keywords. Actually, let me go back before I forget. Let's see. Command used for bypassing the defender scan. PowerShell. Okay. Yeah, oh, with reference above, it is possible to use PowerShell to exclude Windows Defender from taking action on certain path. Guys, this has to be it, man. This has to be it. Let's see. So the path. Hold on. Let me just one more time. What is the full command? So this is a full command. Whoa, that'll be in the filter. But I think we could just filter out for this common, this argument right here, exclusion path. I'm gonna copy that. Yeah. I'm just gonna copy that. Exclusion path. Exclusion path. Exclusion path. I'm just gonna copy that, and we're gonna input that in our, what's it called? Our elk. All right, I'm back. I was playing around with the syntax. So the syntax is gonna be in parentheses. Oh, no, sorry, not parentheses. Quotations. You're gonna have the asterisk, the wildcard, exclusion path, and end it off with the wildcard. So it's gonna pick up everything with exclusion path in it. So yeah, I was finagling. Is that even a word? I don't know why I'm using that today. Let's see. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the PowerShell script, right? Let's see. PowerShell. Let's see. You guys see PowerShell here? You guys see anything that says PowerShell? I should probably use some filters as well too, but oh, okay. I found a PowerShell. Host application PowerShell. All right. Input format none. Output blah blah blah. Oh, there's that tag. So what does the question want from us? What is the full command for bypassing? Do not include file path. Okay. So I guess this is the full command. I hope my clipboard could copy all this, because we do have a 100 character limit on here. Let me just double check. No, it doesn't. Yikes. All right. Exclusion path. Yo, we got it. We got that one. That was a crazy one, man. Yo, this lab has a lot of OSINT in it. I'm not sure if I read that in the tool section. Is OSINT even a tool? I don't know. I'm not gonna entertain that debate. Is it a tool or a method? We're not gonna entertain that. All right, let's see. Wait, we're down to 4. Wow, 4 questions already. It felt like I've been here for an hour. All right, Hunt 2, 2 out of 2. Okay, what is the file name of the malicious application? Is it Chroma? Oh shoot, I'm using the magic mouse, so that's why I my thing's like glitching a little bit. Yeah, I mean it's cool. It's a cool product, but enough advertisement. Chroma exe. I think that's our tool, guys, or our application, whatever they have it labeled as. I don't know what the heck a Chroma exe is. Sounds like a knockoff Chrome, but it is what it is. Let's try that out. It is. Sweet, sweet. Okay, guys, we're almost done. We're almost done. We got 3 more. What is the domain name? Oh, no, this is for Hunt 3. So we're done with this. Yeah, we're done with this. What is Hunt 3? What is the WannaCry kill switch domain? Whoa. Sysmin. Yeah, I'm not sure why they had Sysmin on here right here, or Sysmon. That kind of threw me off. So let's change this. Change it to Sysmin. Alright. Let's see the question again. What is the domain name? Okay. Domain name. I mean, we could filter, but I don't know. Yeah, let me just leave it as that. Domain name. Hold on, I'm trying to think. I don't think we're gonna find it with this current. Hold on, let me see something real quick. She's my friendly Google. Wait, Sysmon event. What is this? Event 22 DNS Curie. And for those that took a network class in college, you'll know that DNS is domain name. All right. I forgot the S. Holy crap! Is it domain name service? Hold on. I'm not gonna let that. I'm not gonna let that slip by. DNS. Domain name system. Holy crap! How did I forget that? Man, I'm getting old. What the heck? All right. Sorry about that. Back here. So we have event 22, event ID 22. What is this ad? Event 22, DNS query. All right, domain name system. Alright, let me just. I want to get this verified by Microsoft. Hold on. Event ID 22. So it refers to multiple events? Well, the first one, DNS query. Let's just go for this. If this is not it, we'll try another event ID. Let's go back to our elk. Let's see, elk. Let's filter for event ID like we did with the other ones. System event ID. Event ID 22. Let me see if that works. All right, and yeah, I think that worked. And let's go to see if I Event data. Let's see. Okay, we have query name. We do want to query the name. Oh, okay, we're getting some top 5 values over here. I'm gonna add this to my filter. What in the world? Did you guys just see that? Holy crap, my elk just glitched. Alright, that was strange. Okay. Wow, interesting. Alright, so we have a couple domain names here. Avatar, GitHub. What is it asking for? What is the domain name for what? Oh, hold on. my goofy self. Wannify kill switch domain. Alright, so that's what they're looking for. Alright, so let's look through all this. Why does my screen look so small? I must be tripping. That is so strange. It looks really small. Let me click full screen. That doesn't do anything. So it's looking for a specific domain, the WannaCry kill switch domain. See, none of these look. I mean, some of these look out of place. Actually, let me actually see how it looks like, actually. WannaCry. What was it? A kill? Did it say kill switch domain? Let's see. Yeah, it did say that. So we have one right here. Okay, we have many actually. Kill switch. Interesting. You know what I'll do? I will. Let me just start from the top down and see if you can look these up, because there must be many, because I'm not seeing anything. Now I don't want to accidentally go to this, because that will cause some problems. Hold on, did I not copy that? Again, I don't advise this. I'm definitely defang this right when I go to the browser. This is very dangerous right here. Let me get rid of this. Let me defang it actually. Holy crap, this is scary. It's like I'm playing with fire right here. Alright. This is dangerous, guys. Oh, holy crap. No. Woo! Hey, look what we got here. Yeah. Okay, so let me actually try this one out first. WannaCry. Yeah. Oh, this is Men Diet. Let me take a look at them. So there's many URLs. As you can see right here, Men Diet saying. Wow. Let's try that first one we just put in. Alright, if that doesn't work, we could try the other ones. So, hold on. Man, they got some good blogs over here. Some good stuff over here, man. Alright, let's try this. Question. They don't even want to defang. That's some scary stuff, man. There we go. Whew. I mean, this domain looks just ridiculous. What the heck is this? A blah 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 blah. And then an enemy. Alright. Weird domain. Alright, we're down to our last two. Let's see. Hunt 3. What is the execution process ID and threat ID? Okay. Is it for the same domain? What is the execution process ID and threat ID? Format PID and TID. I think it's for the same domain. So what we'll do, let me actually minimize this. Whoa, what the heck? we're gonna add the event. Hold on. Event. Data. Query name. Right there. And let's add that weird URL. Yo, my thing is glitching. Do you guys see this? What in the world? Enter that. And we have 6 hits. Okay, hold on. Actually, before I proceed, I want to see what's going on with my thing. It just... every second looks weird. We're down to the last 2, so I won't fret on it anymore. So we have 6 hits. So it wants us to pull out the process ID and threat ID. Let's see. Process ID, threat ID. Wait, hold on. Did I pass it? Process ID. That's the event data. Process ID. Why am I looking at it the right way? Hold on. These are all relatively for the same time. Oh, execution process ID. Hold on. Execution process ID. Right here. And then, okay, I almost put the wrong answer in. And then add this. There we go. So, yeah, that correlates with the question, actually. Let me see. What is the execution process ID and thread ID? So, execution process ID, that would be 2. I don't think they want commas. I doubt it. So, we'll just do it no commas. And then the other one's blocking it. 4260. 4260. Nice. Now we're down to the last one. Hunt for. Alright, we're about to get Craven on. He'll never forget, man. Let's get it over here, man. We're almost done. Password dumping. Source sysmon. Alright. So we already have the source there. Now we have to look, just going based off the previous questions we did. You know, there's obviously no filter for password dumping as we see here. We could filter out using the event ID like we did for the past few questions. So let's type in event ID for, dumping passwords. Wow, this is an event ID for everything. So 4656, log when password hashes are dumped from the registry using tools such as Mimikatz, Heistump, Metasploit. So 4656, 4656. So we could filter for that. Nothing comes up. Interesting. Alright, so nothing comes up despite using the process ID. So what we could do, we could, let me see, Mimikatz. We could filter out for these tools. Alright, I'm back. Whoa, a lot of trial and error. A lot of trial and error. So quick recap what I did. If you guys go back to, what's the event? I forgot the name of the event. But you guys remember the event, let me see something real quick. It was event ID for password dumping, right? It was what, damn it, I forgot the name of it. You could catch it on a playback, but there was some event ID that mentioned something about Mimikatz. Do you guys remember that? Let me see if I can find it for you guys before I explain what I did. Dumping password. Right here. So 4656 didn't work. This did not work in our elk, search box. So I started filtering with the most popular tools and just went down the list. I tried some other tools, but I'm like, you know what? Let me try Mimikatz. So try Mimikatz, and look what I found here. Bam! I got 2 hits for Mimikatz. All right. So man, I forgot the question. It was a lot of researching. What is the full path of the EAC used for dumping passwords? Guys, this has to be it. All right. It correlates with the process ID. Well, it correlates with the dumping password process ID, and it has a very popular tool here. So let me actually copy this. Man, this is crazy. This has been a crazy ride. Let's paste that in there. Man, what a crazy ride, guys. Wow. So we just completed the SOC Alpha series. Man, for those that came from SOC Alpha 1, hopefully this was enjoyable and it was very informative. All right. And yeah, keep up your grinding, keep up the skills, guys. Keep it up, man. Real talk. All right. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to never miss a video. In the meantime, remember to join our Discord and tune in every Friday at 6 p.m. BST for BTLO Replay. Thanks, everyone, and see you next time. Ciao.